this. Pineda was going left, but the hit was on a steep angle going to the right. How difficult is that, Mosey? Take another look at the angle here. Oh.
It's like a fadeaway shot in basketball na talagang ang hirap na ng angulo pero shoot pa rin. Ganun-ganon.
It's like shooting from the side of the backboard na palabas ka na.
Oo, yung palabas ka. Tama. Yun, ganun kahirap. Exactly that.
And ringless pa yung tira ni Pineda that time.
Talaga eh.
Walang katao-tao.
Pwede ba 2 points yan?
Degree of difficulty dapat 4.
Correct.
16-11, set number 3.
Oh,
parang ginaya ni Nebrida.
Sabi niya, parehong 1 point lang yan as Nebrida brings it into the middle of defense.
Pero parang mas mahirap to. Kaliwa yata
yung
ginamit.
sinave lang eh.
Good serve from Dizon.
Overset.
Lady Warriors.
Still taken by Cortel.
To 16.
So, ball goes to UE and with that the point, yun, yung sinibrida, talagang risk taker siya eh. Gagawin niya eh, hindi siya takot. And ako, yun, very basic sa akin sa player yun. Kahit anong sport, kailangan matapang.
Through the block.
Guevara against 3 defenders or 3 blockers at the net gets the ball through.
Team captain
Log on the line.
Serving.
Still a 4-point lead for Adamson, 17 serving 13. Masangkay. Nebrida. Defense behind the block. Here comes Pineda on the other side.
But dug up by the Lady Warriors. This time it was Nebrida for that down the line hit and she takes it. Look at Masangkay, go for the shoot. Ang layo and yet itong si Nebrida still went for that angle. Talagang i-risk niya eh. Hindi niya pwedeng dun lang sa gitna. Hindi pwede. She will not go for percentage. She will risk it.
Well, UE
Winner
knows
take all.
how good the defense, the floor defense of Adamson is. So, hindi pwedeng basta-basta.
Yes,
Kailangan
you
talaga.
have to challenge.
Outside
Kumbaga
shot.
sa tennis, you're looking for the lines, diba?
17.
Yan ang ginagawa ni Nebrida.
On a mini run here is UE. They're within 2 after being down by as much as 5.
The set now is on the line. Well, offensively, hindi pa natin masyadong naririnig si Lucette
That's
Dawes.
Oh, again, Pineda, this time with an off-speed.
And so smart was that play. Tingnan mo, gumulong lang. She made sure that it had enough, just enough power para ginamit niya kay Kite. Inanguluhan niya kay Kite. And got the point through that roll.
Good job by Rosale. The dump.
To 18.
Yung experience naman ni Kite Rosale will bring in so much for the Lady Warriors. Ito yung dapat natututunan din ng younger players ng UE. Because Kite packs a lot of experience in her years of playing. Kasi nasanay yan na talagang siya bumubuhat ng team eh. So, ang daming ad-libs yan.
Soriano tries again and there's that's a check ball. Very slow-paced game we have in the first of your Saturday doubleheader here on Studio 23. Adamson.
Sheila Pineda to serve.
Playing the pace of UE, it seems. But so far successful. They're up 2 sets to nothing and also lead
Bulan,
by 2, 19-17.
17 to 19.
Off that point by Bulan, Makatuno
7 out.
checks back in.
Makatuno in.
For Pisa. Alam mo, ang maganda lang din sa Lady Falcons, I've noticed, marami nang pinapasok si Coach Dulce. Siguro, he uses about 10 players in a game. So, has developed a lot. So,
Cortel with a hit out.
Yung bench niya, which is actually will go to your advantage, definitely, from crunch time.
May Makatuno for Adamson.
Oh, that goes right into the net. Makatuno.
For the Lady Warriors.
Galing kasi sa bench na pahingang konti. Yung adrenaline rush, bumaba eh.
Mary Crystal Rosales to serve.
Sharp serve from Kite. Oh,
Cortel on both ends of the net.
and if you're Coach Dulce, you love this. Why? Because you can see na yung mga iba mong players pwede maging spark plug in games like yung mga hindi nag-work, mga stars mo inside. Players that you can use, yung kahit na, let's say, half of a set, maiba lang.
Let's listen to UE.
Kailangan lang natin pumuntos. Kailangan lang natin pumuntos. Nasa taas ka, di ba? Nasa taas ka. Papasukin mo si Faith. Saan ka nakapwesto? Dito. Papasukin mo si Faith na gano'n. Pagkatapos, dito ka lang sa likuran. Pulo lang, sa likuran. Back quick, back quick, tas open. Ha? Tagayin natin. Nagbibigay nga sila sa atin eh, oh. Sige. Pinagpapalitan yung tao niya, eh, oh.
Following this match, we have
UE
UP Lady Maroons
staring
taking
at
on De La Salle
a 4-point
Lady
deficit
Spikers.
here in set number 3. Backserve against the wall. That's the
Line out,
usual
17,
cliche that we use here. Alcuino checks in for Guevara, who may be done for the afternoon.
Yep, and Coach Dulce giving some time to the other players,
Right in the hole.
giving them
19
their
to
moment.
22.
But in that last play, look at this campfire on the side of the Lady Falcons after that push by Bulan.
Kahiyaan yung 5 players
Oo.
around that ball.
Nakatingin lahat eh, pero nobody moved.
Cortel, too strong.
Cortel.
That goes long, no touch.
20
2-0
to
run
22.
by the Lady Warriors. And they are within 2.
Look at Coach Minerva
Napatayo na,
standing
no?
on. Siyempre gusto mo bigyan ng kumpiyansa itong mga new players mo. Ayaw mo naman sila hugutin and lose confidence in them eh. So, if you were Coach Dulce, you would rather finish the game with them inside.
Sana lang.
Pero ito, lumalapit na yung UE. Let's see kung kano ka.
Ibabalik ba
Aha.
sila Soriano, sila Guevara to finish out this one. Bulan serving to tie it up. Oh, poor reception from a very good libero, Vasquez.
Chance for UE to tie up this score.
Dizon
And they do.
exactly what she wanted to do.
We are tied at 22.
So nakita nila that is the Waterloo of the Lady Falcons defense, yung gitnang portion na yan. And right away, Guevara being sent in.
17 out. 9. Guevara.
So let's see.
That's 4 straight points given up by
Serving.
the Adamson defense. Kaya si Alcuino hinugot pabalik, and Guevara, who was supposed to be resting all the way, kailangan pang magpapawis ng konti. That's going to be long. A free gift from UE.
Sorry, miss coming from Bulan. That was really a crucial error there. Humahabol na sila 4 straight points going towards the end of this third set. A must-win set for them sana. And let's see if they can tie it up once again.
Pineda, free ball for UE. Masangkay. Nebrida, the tip again.
And
They keep going to that
That's
middle
right.
hole of the Adamson defense.
Still no remedy on the side of the Lady Falcons on this area.
What's that? About
Anong area na yan
3-4 points nakuha ng
Yes.
UE dyan, ano?
Through that mga push lang
Just
off
last
speed.
2 minutes. 23 all, Kinlog.
Chance for UE to take the lead.
Nebrida pushes again. Guevara plays setter. Pineda, the push. Pineda, cut shot. Kinlog dumps the ball.
Made sure she took that point. Look at this dunk by Kinlog.
Over-received by Nebrida.
All her might.
Tinapos na ni Angelica Kinlog, and she's going to serve for the match here, 24-23.
Team captain.
Nebrida trying to keep
Oh, and that caught the line.
Yes, they are still alive.
24 all.
That caught the line. Again, the risk taker Nebrida getting that line.
Mariela set Dawi.
Si Coach Pantes is out
Out
na.
na yun eh.
Out na. Take a look here. You be the judge. Ooh. She has a point.
Really close.
Very close. Pineda. 24 all.
Oh, Nebrida won
Wow.
again.
And Mosey. I never thought I'd say this in this
Set point.
match, but it's UE at set point.
That's right.
Mami Dulce, napatawag ng timeout. Pakinggan natin ang Adamson.
Adamson. 24. UE.
Ha? Oh, anong ginagawa niyo? Ha? Lahat kayo pabuka na ganon. Iniiwanan ninyo yung gitna. Oh, come on, Len. Ikaw, nakatayo ka, oh. Tsaka, parang hindi ka nakafocus doon sa laro. Focus ka doon sa laro. Kasi napakadali lang naman yan eh. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo? Ang sikreto ay nasa paa. Okay, come on, come on.
Clearly displeased with the way Adamson's playing is Mami Dulce. And they're staring at a set point by
Yep.
UE here in set number 3 to extend this to a set 4.
Lady Warriors
And
now at set
napag-usapan
point
na
at
natin
match.
since the pregame.
Set Dawi.
Adamson can't afford to lose this game. They just can't.
That's right. And they were just cruising until ito yung dulo nitong third set. Put in new people inside, but let's see if they can recover in time. And
Pineda
Pineda once again delivers.
Tuwad na banggit mo, Mosey.
Oh,
Go-to
oy.
girl.
Oh.
Who is that? That's Sheila Pineda.
Give it to the money man.
Kailangan mo ng puntos.
Oh,
Kailangan mo ng rescue.
Yun ang masarap, di ba? Pag may ganyan ka sa team. Eh.
Akin na.
Oo,
Saan mo
eh.
ibigay? 25 all. Rosale. Adamson on the attack. Pineda.
Oh!
Lucky break for Adamson. She catches the tape of the net. Napahinga ng malalim si
Oh,
Coach
I
Dulce Pante.
Match point.
Look at this lucky break. Pineda was far away from the net, went for an off-speed. Si Kitty nagre-ready na sana din sa malakas na palo ni Pineda.
Match point Adamson. Over reception there. Soriano. Nebrida, it's alive. Soriano! Yes!
Could have gone out, but last-minute decision on Bula to take it gives Adamson the game.
And look at the happiness of Listana and the rest of the Lady Falcons. The final point that they needed coming from one of the veterans. And it's been the veterans that have produced here today for Adamson. Pineda and Soriano have put up the numbers. I would have wanted to say a walk in the park for Adamson, but it wasn't the case in set number 3. So it was a good fight put up by UE. Set by set, they got better.
Yun yung sasabihin ko sana. That is what is important for on the UE side naman, ano. This time, hindi sila pababa. Hindi nawalan ng loob. In fact, showed us more character in this game. Pataas ang pataas yung score, even stretching the third set.
Our best player is with Bea Coronel.
Thank you, Eric. Well, I think she's getting used to this already. I'm here with Sheila Pineda, our best player for today. So, Sheila, based sa assessment mo ng game na to, so ano yung sa tingin mo yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy and ano yung sa tingin mo kailangan i-improve ng team nyo going into the semifinals?
Yun nga, pinatay kami sa drop ball. Mag-focus kami sa defense, tsaka sa service, tsaka blocking.
Okay, so ano naman sa tingin mo ang maging performance nyo going into the semifinals soon?
Paghandaan namin, syempre, para sure na nasa Final Four kami.
Okay, thank you so much and congratulations again. Again, that was our best player for today, Sheila Pineda of the Adamson Lady Falcons.
Thank you, Bea. I think Pineda was looking for maybe a point for yung time ng greeting, pero walang greetings for our best player today. But nevertheless, they got what they wanted in this game. Adamson advances and they go up 8-5 above yung kanilang katay na FEU and USD. Here's our Sports House play of the game. Get up to 60% off on select equipment on Sports House Red Carpet Deal.
And look at Pao Soriano on that last play. Umikot, inikutan si Makatuno and iniwasan yung blocker, went to that angle and got the point. And ito yung gusto mo. Ngayon, it's not only Pineda who can finish the game or the set, it's also Pao Soriano. So yung mga threats, dumadami na dumadami on the side of the Lady Falcons.
Sheila Marie Pineda and the Lady Falcons advance to 8 and 5. Coming up next, the Lady Maroons looking for their first win this season as they take on the defending champs, undefeated at 11-0, the DLSU Lady Spikers. Tiff and Bea will stick around and call our second game as well. Thanks to our director, Apet Ramos, and producer, Ada Bayuga. For Mosey Ravenna, I'm Eric Tipan. Thanks for watching our coverage of the eliminations of the 74th season of the UAAP Volleyball Tournament here on Studio 23. This is another ABS-CBN Sports presentation. Hang on for the main event this Saturday afternoon.